In this video you will learn how to convert your image to video in few seconds for free.
Alright guys, before we get started, if this is your first time of coming across my channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button and like my video if you find this video helpful. Without further ado, let's dive into this video. Alright guys, so from what we used are those two websites. The first one is ChatGPT, and which is the link you can see here. And the main function of this ChatGPT is to quickly develop a write-up for us. Alright, and as well you can, if you have your write-up, you can as well you did not need to use this website, so you just use the second one that will generate the text and the image for you. Okay, so from that video, this one that I showed you guys.
Once upon a time, in a small village nestled amidst rolling hills, there lived a young girl named Maya. Maya was...
Alright, so you notice this is a should I say a storytelling. So what I did was to use this website called ChatGPT to develop that story, and this is what I did. I wrote, so write the story about a girl in the forest, so something like this. Then I click send. So you can see it develops the write-up for me. Now it has a lot, so it could develop as much as possible. So what I just need is, you can decide to copy everything, okay, it depends on you, but for the sake of this tutorial I will just use from here down to this forest here, okay, and so let's copy. Then the next website we make use of is called d/id, okay, then d/id. So this one, you click on it. So once you click on it, you have the free trial to use, okay, and which I've been using a lot and I've been enjoying it. So you can see these are my recent videos I created. So let's see how to go about it. So you have create video. After you've logged in for free, you select create video. Now you can use from the uploaded avatars they have here, or you create your own. Alright, so what I did was to get a superstar, which is Fireboy. You also have this also superstar is himself, okay. So I make use of Fireboy and I select him using this dimension. It must be of 200 to 200 pixels, okay, that is the size and the width. So select open. So once I do that, I have this image uploaded there. Then the next thing to do is to paste the script I have. So you notice it says the word preview limit exceeded 20 words, okay. So what I can just do here is probably just delete this, okay. Alright, now from here you select generate video, but before you do that you need to come here to change the voice. This is a male character, so what I did is, since I'm a Nigerian, okay, so select my country, Nigeria, and select the male voice. You can use anyone you prefer, but I just prefer to use I'm proud to be a Nigerian. Alright, so from here you select this, then you select listen, just to listen to what
Once upon a time, in a mystical land, there was a young girl named Amelia.
Alright, so once I'm done, I'm pleased with that, then select generate video. So it will use, you have about 20 credits, so I've used about should I say about 5 credits to create those videos. So you select generate. So once you set generate, it will load for a while, not lesser than 2 minutes, okay, depending on the speed of your data connection, your internet connection. All right, now the video is done already, so let's play it first and see.
Once upon a time, in a mystical land, there was a young girl named Amelia.
All right, now you notice you have the what do you call it, the watermark, okay? So and from what you notice in the one I uploaded, what I did is to hide that watermark, okay, so which you can see in order to avoid the copyright issues, okay? So once you are pleased with that, you could just take it to any editing software to edit the watermark. So you download, then you take it to your editing software, and that is it. Alright guys, so if you are pleased with the way it works, you can as well go for it to purchase their plans. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye for now. Peace out.